Last time on the Lazy Geckos.
There it is. You can see it completely broke. Brittany decided to, well, she wanted to go up the mast.
Holy shit.
She's gonna go ahead and clip the wire.
Oh, it's not that bad. I love it. Let me do it.
We'll see how this turns out. It's probably 15 inches long. You know, like little air out of it.
They're like spotted.
They always seem happy and they always make people happy.
Yeah.
They're like me.
It is freezing cold and very stormy. At least the boat's getting back. We patched up the head sail, some sail tape. It didn't hold.
So right now we're motoring on one engine, trying to conserve fuel, only 2,000 RPM. And then when we round Long Island, right there, we will tack south and put the sails up. And then we'll shut the engines down. We should have a nice slow south, or south sail.
Sail south.
Yeah.
Have you seen the sunset?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
All right, just checking in. Husband is asleep. It's my third watch. It's about 4:30 in the morning. I think I'll go probably another hour, and that'll be, we've been doing like 3-hour increments, so that'll be 3 hours for me, and then I'll lay back down. The winds are at about 140 and blowing about 7.5, and we're going about 3.5 knots, making our way down Long Island. We have actually been sailing the entire way. We really don't want to turn the engines on because we don't want to stop for diesel at the last place to stop. We'd like to just sail on right by it. So we topped off before we left. Right around Georgetown, we were at Emerald Bay Marina. We topped off there, and as long as we sail the whole way, we don't have to top off again at the last stop before we leave the Bahamas and enter the Caribbean. So an overnight passage tonight. It's going pretty good. We're moving pretty slow, but that's okay. I'd rather it be slow and steady and calm than high seas, high winds, and get there fast. There's another boat out here on AIS, which always makes you feel a little bit better. They're moving at 14 knots, so they're going a lot faster. Still makes you feel better when another boat's out here. So the deal is, at night, who's ever on watch, you're always tethered in, and you're not allowed out of the square within the cockpit, meaning like basically if you're underneath the Dodger, you're fine, but you can't go past it. So that's kind of what we do. I made us a nice thing of chili before we left, so that's in the crock pot staying warm, and I kind of just munch on it, and I'm actually really full, and it's giving me heartburn, so I should probably stop munching on it. I got my spin lock on and my foul weather jacket. It is a little chilly, and underneath I have like a hoodie and some long, I don't know, leggings, yoga pants, so I'm bundled up now. But I'm looking forward to hitting the bed in an hour and hopefully sleeping. My mind's been racing, so I haven't really been able to sleep. But hopefully I crash, and I crash hard for 3 hours. It'll be good. Here's the yummy pot of chili. Turn on the light. As you can see, we've already eaten quite a bit. We have the little guy sleeping right down here in our room.
Of our parts, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. So clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
Right now we're between, damn, where the hell are we? Between Long Island and Crooked Island, which are east in the Bahamas. We left Georgetown. We left there around 11 o'clock in the morning. We got topped off on diesel. We got on the way. We were able to sail a lot of the way between Georgetown and Long Island. Right when we got to Long Island is basically when the sun went down, and we rounded the north side of the island, and we sailed all night long down the east side. Now we're cruising over to Crooked Island. Tonight we're gonna anchor there and enjoy the evening, and then we're going to go ahead and continue on tomorrow. The Genoa repair, it looks like the tape's stretching. I don't know if it's supposed to or not. I wasn't able to get a good look at it, but what we did was we just ran the Genoa open just up to the point where it's ripped, and then we left the rib wrapped up, which is okay. It's like a super reef. But today we went ahead and opened the Screecher. We're sailing with it right now. We're in 10 knots on the beam, and we're going about between 5 and 6 knots, which isn't great, but you know, it's light winds, and we have the main up, but it's reefed. Simply because the winds were coming from like a broad reach, and the mainsail was blocking the wind for the Screecher. But we reefed it. It was Brittany's idea, which is good, and we reefed it, and now the Screecher's full and she's sailing. It's really calm, quiet sail. It's really nice. Reese is sitting over here eating some potato chips, playing with his little toys. Dawn's in her pool because she hadn't gone potty. She goes potty in the pool, and if she hasn't been walked, we leave her in there until she goes. She has like puppy pads, but yeah, it's been a nice sail.
I met a man named Melchizedek. He was a good man. Wandering lonely in the desert. He invited me to stay. Said I would learn to love this baby. I knew a woman named was Jezebel. She was a wild one. She said, come out and we could have fun. And then she wanted me to go. She couldn't stand getting too close.
do you think about the rudder?
Well, it needs bearings, that's for sure. There's a shoe in the bottom of it holding the rudder, so we should be fine as far as like any type of failure, but you know, we should probably get it replaced whenever we can.
The rudder or the bearing?
No, the bearing. So the rudder, you just have to replace the bearings on the shaft that are up in the hull. So it has some play in it. But if you would, I'd like you to go hard to starboard. Go all the way with the steering wheel. Just go, turn it all the way till it stops.
All right.
And hold it there.
We're hard to starboard.
All right, go ahead and hold it there, so don't let me push it back.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and go hard to port.
Okay. I'm hard to port.
And hold it there. I'll tell you when you're straight. Turn it back. Good. Nothing we can do about it here. I talked to the engineers. They said you're not going to sign any danger. It's not going to fall off because we have that foot. As we go along, I'll check it, keep watching it, and then we'll replace it as soon as we can. Hello. You having fun?
Yeah, I mean, why not give you a shower scene?
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's the same effect here.
You need to put one leg crooked,
Right. And
bend your knee in, arch your back, put your head back. Yes. Anchorage spot number 3. Third time should be a charm. Moving again. Just moved anchorages, went around the island a little bit. Had to dodge, I don't know, a bunch of coral head and reefs. It's pretty crazy. Actually, I'll show you. I'd really like to clean this spot on my dinghy. Well, the dinghy's been banging against this pole. As we go through rough seas, it bangs right against it. We try to secure it at the aft end of the dinghy, but it's not working. So when we stop, we'll obviously get something built for right here so it won't bang. I was thinking I'm gonna clean it up because it is a brand new dinghy and it kind of sucks when you're looking at your dinghy, your brand new dinghy, and there's a huge brown spot on it. So I'm gonna clean it up and then I think maybe wrap like some towels with some bungee cords around here so when it's smacking it, it doesn't continue to do that. On the Lazy Gecko, our dinghy was not brand new and it couldn't come up on davits, so it sat in the water a lot of time. I used Barkeeper's Friend. So that's what I'm gonna try to use this time. Hopefully it works. Instead of working out today, this is what I'm gonna do. What is it, triceps?
So it looks like you're getting it in the front there.
Yeah, I think I am. Woo!
Hold on.
It was crazy getting in this anchorage. So we were on the, I guess, west end of the island, and the swells and the wind was coming from the south. So we were like, the water was coming up here. And so we're like, you know what, let's move. It's a little too rocky. I've been wanting to do the dinghy. So we came around. There was actually somewhere, a boat, a monohull right where we are right now. So we first anchored back there. It was still pretty rocky, but coming in, it was like a minefield of coral heads. I thought, I didn't want to do it. Jeremiah felt confident. So we went ahead and we did it. We're here now, which is great. That was pretty intense. It definitely scared me.
Now we gotta get out.
Yeah, I know.
At like 5 in the morning.
I know. Well, we're definitely gonna wait till the sun comes up. I'm pretty sure it comes up closer to 5 because I was up a couple mornings ago that early and it was bright. I just need it to like pour rain all over me.
There you go, dance. Dance.
It's like that one video we just watched.
What video?
Like the movie was back in like the 70s or something. Honey, look.
It looks wonderful.
I did it.
You did a wonderful job.
Now it's up to you to remember to put it. I think we should just bungee cord a towel here and not move it.
That stuff takes a couple of seconds to get activated, but once it's Going, it's going.
That's awesome. Now it's just like shower time. Actually, it's still kind of warm from the engines.
Oh, it should be
Perfect time to shower.
balls hot.
I know. We should really turn it on because we're trying not to use the generator.
Yeah.
And well, we're trying not to use the generator. We just use the engines to motor. So now I think it should be shower time.
Yeah, absolutely,
Right now
dude.
it's hot. Hot, hot.
No, it's like melt your skin off hot.
It is. Jeez. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, actually, it feels kind of good cold.
Girl, I like it, like it, like it. Girl, I like it, like it. Keep, girl, like it, I like it.
Coming up, well, that was that. We are leaving the Bohemian water.
Would it take like 29 hours?
We got the immigration paperwork and then the customs department paperwork.
It kind of got shot up and the dog doesn't get murdered on sight.
Little Miss Bella.
It's really weird. You ready, Reese?
So what am I going to do?
They come tomorrow at 9 a.m. for the firearms.
I dropped the dinghy and forgot to put the plug in so it like filled up with water.
Oh my gosh. You ready to go explore?
Yes.
So another level excited. Explore, have you ever explored the mangroves?
No.
That's his knot, the Bimini twist.
Brittany remembers everything. Dad's always like, no.
I know,
What are you
you know.
talking about?
Abel was anchoring behind us and he was like, who's cooking bacon?
Come on in, the water's...
Ready?
Our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below. We've been working all hurricane season for this. Are you ready to take this adventure to another level? We are.
How is it?
Good. It tastes good when you're working for it. We've added a huge feature for you to enjoy. Our private server is live, baby. Visit us at www.lazygeckos.net to access episodes, exclusive content, bonus footage, live streams, photo shoots, and more. We are also in the process of building free apps for your tablet and phone. You can also qualify for free access by becoming a patron. See details at patreon.com/lazygeckos.